right, here we go. Let's learn how to do some Jamboard. So I would say probably some people need help on even finding where you can get a Jamboard, and it has to do with Google. So for me, I just like to open up a new window. I'm logged in already, so I just go ahead and go to our 3x3 dots, and I scroll down until I actually see Jamboard. There it is. So then I click it, and you might not even know, but you probably already have some jams happening. I have quite a few, and I'm like, wait a sec, some of these aren't even mine. No, because they were shared with me. So I do have some that are mine all the way here at the bottom of ones I've actually done in class. And this was one class that I tried it out on. And as you can see, every kid's Jamboard who I shared it with, I now have a copy of theirs. So as a teacher, you can go through and see, click on and see what that person did within the Jamboard. But that would take probably a lot of time because that's a lot of kids in just one class. And I was doing 4 different classes. But anyway. So let's say you want to do a new Jamboard, and I would go ahead and click this plus sign way down here on the bottom right, a new jam. So once I click the plus, now I have my new Jamboard. And I'm going to go up to the upper left and call it whatever I want. So let's say it's called my math jam today. My math jam. I go, okay, I'm just all about math. So then I have my pen feature. I can go through and decide, do I want a pen? Do I want a marker? Do I want a highlighter? Or do I want a brush? All right, so I could try it out. Hi, everybody. Yeah, okay. I have my whiteboard feature. I could select the hi. Wait, hold on. It's not letting me select it. I'm going to erase, use the erase feature. I'm going to go through and use the sticky note feature, use whatever color I want. Right, this is me. Yep. Save that. It's on. Okay, then to get out of it, cancel out of it. There it is. I can make it bigger. I can turn it. I can go over here, duplicate it, delete it, edit it. Okay. Let's say I do another one and I go here, click green, and I'm like, I think so too, because I'm responding or something. Uh-oh, it went directly over the other one. So now I can just move it over. Or I could go to this one and say order, bring to the front. Now I'm up front. What happened to the other one? Uh-oh, that wasn't nice of me, so move it over. So yeah, have to keep those things in mind. Add images. Lots of different ways to add it. Upload it within your own files. Take a picture right now and upload myself. I could take a picture of myself. I could Google search an item and get it on there. Go to my Google Drive, my Google Photos, anywhere, and it's right on my Jamboard. I can go through and use some shapes. I've done this also, and what's cool with the shapes is then I can go up here and fill it up with whatever color. Make it look pretty. Then I have my text box. I can write whatever I want. I can make it bigger there by going over here and saying, I want it to be huge. Okay. I can go through, make it centered, just like typical stuff. And then let's say I'm showing people, I'm like, yes, I want you to look at this sticky note. All right. So let's say I'm on a Google Meet and I'm having people look here. I want them to look here. So I use the laser pointer. Okay. So those are the features over here. I can make another frame happen. If I'm like, I need to go on to something else, there that is. And let's put a sticky note on there. Yep. And then cancel back. I can go back to the first slide. I can go down right here and expand it so I can see what I've done so far. I can add on another frame right here. I can rearrange these frames and be like, nope, I want that one last. Bring that back up. Okay, there's just all sorts of funness to happen in a Jamboard. Now, if I'm in a meeting, I can come over here and I can present this Jamboard in a meeting with other people. I'd say that's pretty much the basics of jamming. One other thing, if I want to share it with somebody, hit the share button and I can write someone's email address. I could also go down here and say, okay, I'm going to have anyone with this link. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to send it out to somebody. Okay? And then they get to jam with me too. I could also, one other thing that I forgot to say, I could set a background instead of just white. I can pick all these cool things, or I can even put an image in the background. And I'm like, I'm going to look for wildflowers because it's summer. And I'm going to have that be in the background of this frame. Okay? So all sorts of fun to start having on Jamboard. Have fun jamming.